So, everyone can see my hand right here, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now, when we are counting objects, we're going to put stuff on our fingertips. These are our fingertips. So when we practice counting, so if I put, how many cats do I have?
One.
One. Now how many?
Two.
Two. Now how many?
Three. Four.
Now how many?
Four. Three. Four.
How many?
Four.
Four. Now how many?
Five.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right?
Yeah.
Now what if I take one away? Now how many do I have?
Four. Four.
4. What if I take 2 away?
Two.
2, right? 1, 2. Easy counting, right? So let's say if I mix it up. What if I do this many? How many do I have?
Three.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. You guys are so smart. All right, so let's just count to 5 real quick. Everybody, with your real hand, hold it up. Close it. Everybody, pinky up. 1,
Two.
2, 3,
Three.
4,
Four.
5.
Five.
So whenever we count, we're gonna go start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when we do this hand, we go 6, 7, 8, 9.
9, 10.
All right, perfect. Everyone, show me 4 fingers. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Our thumb is hiding. We don't count him. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Everyone, show me 2 fingers. 2 fingers, Keyshawn. 1, 2. Perfect. All right. Now, I'm going to share my computer and I'm going to tell you a story. You guys ready for a story? I hope so.
Yeah.
Let me get it ready. Where did it go? All right. Let me share my screen. All right. Can everyone see our screen right here?
Yeah.
Our little son, our 2 kids and the dog walking. We see everybody?
Yeah.
All right. So today, our goal is to tell if 2 objects or 2 things are exactly the same or not exactly the same. Okay? So we're going to look at 2 things and we're going to say, are they exactly the same or not exactly? So, before it was raining and cold, I went outside the other day and I saw 2 butterflies flying around. And luckily, I was able to get a picture of both of them. Do you guys see the 2 butterflies?
Yeah.
What? You know what? I was so excited that I ran home after I took my pictures and I was telling my family about these 2 butterflies. And I must have been so excited that they didn't understand because they thought I was talking about the same butterfly. Because I was talking about its wings and its body, and I saw it flying around. So I didn't know that they didn't understand what I was talking about, but I was talking that I saw 2 butterflies. I wonder how I could have talked about it so they knew exactly what I was talking about. We'll think about that and come back to it, okay? All right. So What does it mean to be exactly alike or the same? Well, it means that both are identical. That means if I mixed them up, you wouldn't know which one is which. They are exactly the same. There's no differences in between them. They are the same size, the same color, the same shape, and they're both the same object. So look at our pictures of our butterflies. Are they both butterflies? Do you see both our butterflies? They're both butterflies, aren't they?
Yes.
Yes. Are they the same? Are they the same color?
Yeah.
This butterfly and this butterfly are the same color?
Yeah.
They are?
Yes.
You better look again.
I can see it.
Mr. West, we don't see any butterflies.
What? Why is my screen not sharing this? 1 second. Let me try that again. All right, let's try it one more time. This share screen has been goofing up a little bit today.
She wasn't saying nothing at
Do you
all.
see them this time? You guys see 2 butterflies on the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Whew, I'm sorry. I don't know why it's been messing up today. So, now Dontrell, are these 2 butterflies the same color?
Yeah.
No. What color is this guy?
Orange.
This guy?
Orange. Green.
Green. So right there, we know they're not exactly the same because this guy would have to be orange too, or this guy would have to also be orange.
Oh, the backup said, Mom.
So how about these butterflies? Are they exactly the same or not exactly the same?
No.
No, they're not exactly the same. They're both butterflies, but they're not the same butterfly. They're not both orange or they're not both green. So our learning goal, like I said, I can tell if 2 things are exactly the same or not exactly the same. I wonder if we're able to figure that out. All right, let's look at the 2 fish. Everyone can see the 2 fish?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Still working. All right. Well, what do you notice about the 2 fish? Do you think they're exactly the same or not exactly the same?
Yes, they is.
That you think they're the same?
Yeah. They are
Let's
orange.
look and see. Are they the same color?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Are they the same size?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
they're both nice big fish. Do they both have 2 eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do they both have a smile?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are they both fish?
Yeah.
So we would say that these 2 are exactly the same, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Yes, they are exactly the same. Let's look at the next. Oh, what about these 2 bears? Can everyone see the 2 bears?
Yeah.
All right. So what can you say to describe these 2 bears? Let's talk about this guy.
Same color.
Let's talk about this guy right here. What do we know about him?
He has blue eyes.
He has blue eyes. Okay, what else?
Amber. White and brown.
He's white on his belly and brown on his skin and a little pink in his ears. Okay, good. Anything else?
Bigger.
He's bigger, isn't he? He's a bigger bear. Now let's talk about this guy over here.
He got black eyes.
He does have black
He
eyes.
have a mouth like a dog.
He's got a
little
weird mouth
ears.
like a dog.
What?
What else? Is his brown?
Yellow.
He's kind of a yellow brown, isn't he?
Yes.
And so do you think these two bears are exactly the same? Or do you think they're not exactly the same?
No.
No, they do not. They're both bears, but they're not the same bear, is it?
Yes.
Oh, good job. What about these socks? Let's look at the blue socks over here. Everyone see the blue socks?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you think these blue socks are exactly the same?
No. No.
Why not?
Because they don't look the same. And they're not the same color.
This one and this one right here, I'm talking about the blue ones. They kind of look the same, don't they?
They are the same.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, well, look at this one.
The tall
And look at this little one. Do you think they're the same size?
No.
No, and if they are not the same size, then they can't be exactly the same.
Same.
This one is too big, or this one is too little. Now let's look at our pink socks over here.
Okay.
Do you think the pink socks are exactly the same?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why do you think so?
Yeah. No. Because they're the same.
Are they the same color?
Yeah.
Yes. Are they both socks?
Yes.
Yes. Are they the same size?
No. No.
You don't think this and this one are pretty close?
No. This one is tall and that one is the taller.
Okay, there is a little bit of difference, isn't there?
Yeah, because
But
that one is little and that one is big.
Yeah. They're pretty close, aren't they?
Yeah.
But I'm glad you saw those little differences. All right, let's go back to our butterflies here. So what do you think about these butterflies? Are they exactly the same or not exactly the same?
And no. Same.
They're not exactly the same, are they? Because we know that they're both butterflies, but we know that one is orange and one is green, isn't it?
Yes.
They might be about the same size, but we know because of the color, they can't be the same butterfly. Interesting, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So, are any of you guys the exact same as another student in the room? Are any of you the same? You look exactly the same?
Color.
No. If we look at Cameron, she's the only one with glasses on today. Now, what if I did this and put my glasses on? Now, are Cameron and I exactly the same?
Yeah.
You think Cameron and I are exactly the same?
Nope. Nope.
Nope. Because one is, I'm old, and she's young.
Glasses on.
She's a girl, and I'm a boy. So that tells us right now we can't be exactly the same. And it's good that we are not exactly the same, even though there are some people. Do you know anybody who has a twin brother or sister?
I do. I
And
got a
who-
sister. And
but-
I got both. I got both. I got a boy and a sister.
But do we have anybody who looks exactly the same, called identical twins?
I got a brother and a sister.
So, in today's lesson, we're learning all about exactly the same.
You can do it the same.
So, 1 second. I gotta get to the right paper again. Now we're gonna practice another page together. And I'll pull it up on my computer. Hopefully it will share the correct way. Let me get it loaded. All right. So let's see if this will share. Does everybody see the picture on the screen?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
You see the animals on the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to look and find the animals that are exactly the same.
Same.
And then we're going to find animals that look like each other but aren't exactly the same. So let's say draw with the ruler, but we're just going to look at the screen. So do you see the bird at the top and the bird on the other side with the line on it?
Yeah.
Those are exactly the same, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, is there a picture that is exactly the same as the squirrel?
No. No. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, there is, isn't there? All the way down here, they are, looks like they're the same size. They're the same color. Everything about them looks the same. Good job. Is there a match to the rabbit that is exactly the same?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, I see a rabbit right here.
And a
But-
rabbit right there.
But are they the same size?
Yeah. No.
No, this guy is littler, isn't he?
Yeah.
So they can't be the exact same because this one is
That one's
too little.
Now
How about this skunk right here? This stinky skunk. Does he have an exact same skunk on here?
Yeah, but that no, cause this
No.
one not the same, cause that one is so small.
Yes, this one looks the same, but he's teeny tiny.
He is the same.
What about the dog right here? Does the dog have a match?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it the same size?
Yeah.
Same
Yeah.
color?
Yeah.
Ah, so that would be a match, wouldn't it? So our
Yeah.
squirrels are a match. Our dogs are a match, but we know our bunny and our skunk are not exactly the same.
I can't.
Huh.
I can see it.
Interesting.
Not.
Can you guys still see my bears on the screen?
Yeah.
All right. What color is this bear?
Red. Red.
Red. Now what color is this bear?
Blue.
All right. Are they both bears?
Yeah.
Are
No.
they both the same size?
No. Yeah.
Are they both
Yeah.
little?
Yeah.
Are they the same color?
No. No.
No. So are they exactly the same?
No. No.
No, because they have to be the same color. So if I put this guy up here, is he the same as this one? Or is he the same as the blue one?
No.
The red and the red make a match. What? Yes.
Put the purple one in there.
Put a purple one on there?
Yeah.
All right. Do I have any matches for the purple bear?
No.
No. Now do I have a match for the purple bear?
Yeah.
Yes. So they are exactly the same. So where would I put this guy? Right here. Would I put him over here?
Right there.
Over here? Or right here?
Right there.
Right
That's
here?
the map. Yeah.
Right in the middle? Why do we put him in the middle?
See, it's the same thing.
It's the same because that's blue and that's a blue one. What if I put this green out here? Does he go anywhere? No, he doesn't match with the reds, does he?
Cause
He
these.
doesn't match with the blues, does he?
Yeah, cause
And
all
he
these
doesn't
purple.
match. he doesn't match with the purples, does he? Now,
No.
I need to bring him up a friend, right?
Yeah.
Now, all of our bears have a match. Red and red, blue and blue, purple, purple, green, and green. Awesome. All right. Awesome, awesome sauce. Now, in our seesaw activity, can everyone see this page?
Yeah.
Okay. So after we're done, you're going to go to this page right here. Now, this is a... We got to listen, Aubrey. This is a coloring page, kind of. The directions say color the things that are exactly the same. Color them so they look like each other. So do you see anything in the picture that are the exact same?
You on seesaw? I know you was on seesaw.
Do we see anything that is exactly the same in our picture over here?
Yeah, the trees the same.
The trees are the same. Very
And
good.
the bushes.
So I'm going to color the trees green. Because we know Christmas trees are green. Oh, that's not a very good green, is it?
Oh.
Let's try this one.
Yellow.
That's a little better. So I would color this tree green, and I would color this tree
Purple.
green.
That's not a good green.
I know. They don't give us very good greens, do they?
No. That's green. Very good green. We
That
could
green?
do them blue.
Let's see if that one works. That's better. Not the best. So I'm going to color both of my trees nice and green. And if you can find any more pictures that are exactly the same, you're going to color them the same. If they don't have a match, they're not the same, we're not going to color them.
The bird's the same. Throw it away.
Oh, don't tell everybody the answers. The next paper you're going to practice today is a simple matching paper.
You can be that kid.
All you have to do is draw a line from the matching animal on this side to the matching animal on this side. So we know, like I'd say, oh, I know the pigs are the same.
Oh, I know what to do now.
Pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And then
Do the next one. I did that.
that's your 2 assignments for today. You're coloring the same pictures here, and on this one, you're just matching the animals. Pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
I knew it would be so easy. So
I can't do all of y'all at one time.
let's say, all right, are these 2 markers exactly the same?
Yeah.
Yes, because they're both
Right?
markers, and they're both what color?
Black.
Black. They both have the same writing on them. Good. How about this? This is a marker. Are they exactly the same?
No.
No. Oh, that's a red one. Oh, well. What about these 2 markers? Are they exactly the same?
Yeah. No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at it. You see anything different on them?
Not the same. Yeah, but this one is the reddest, and that one is the reddest.
Look at the size of them. One is little and one is big. So are they exactly the same?
No.
No, this one's bigger. This one's little. They both are red though. So they're kind of the same, but not exactly the same. Well, what about, well, this then? Are they the same?
No.
No, one's a crayon, one's a marker. Whew, this is easy.
I need to see that again.
What if I pull these guys out? Are they the same?
Yeah.
They both kind of look the same, don't they?
Yeah, they just have them.
But they're not exactly the same because if I put them like this, they're facing the wrong way because one goes in one ear, one goes in the other ear. So they're kind of the same, but not exactly the same. And if I put them back right, then they work. All right. So what I want you guys to do, you're going to get on Seesaw, and you're going to do those 2 worksheets.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
All right. We all know what we're going to do.
Yeah.
Awesome. Aubrey, you're going to get on Seesaw, and you're going to do your work. I will stay on, so if you get stuck, I will be here to help.